My project is on the cell. What the students are going to do is there's directions over here, and it says, first, as a group, decide which card goes into which envelope. Match the word with the definition. Next, you will use the felt pieces in the envelope to create a cell. After you put all of the felt pieces on, use the labels to label what the names of the parts of the cell are. Once you have finished the task above, look in the finished envelope to see if you got everything right. Then record how many your group got wrong and how many your group got right in your notebooks. So the first part is they're going to take the felt pieces out of the bag, and they are going to stick them on to the board. So they get to decide how they want their cell to look and what is right. I'm not going to do all of the pieces because you guys get the point. So then they're going to take the other bag that has the different names, and they are going to label the parts of the cell. So they're just going to stick it on where the particular thing is. So nucleus, nucleolus, Golgi body, and there's several different ones, and they can put them on there. Once they have finished, well, first they were supposed to do the envelopes, which I didn't follow my own directions, but that's okay. So there's several envelopes here: nucleolus, mitochondria, ribosomes, nucleus, Golgi body, vacuoles. And then there's a bag with cards in them and definitions of each. So as a group, they will have to decide which definition goes in which envelope. So one of them says powerhouse of the cell. So I know that that's going to go in mitochondria. Then help make proteins. And I'm just going to guess and put them in there right now. So then once they put them all in there, then they are going to look in the finished envelope. And in the finished envelope is 2 pieces of paper which have the definition of each of the cards. So nucleus is the control center for all activity. Then nucleolus contains genetic information. So they're going to match up and see which of these they got right. Once they have figured out which ones they got right and which ones they got wrong on the definitions, then they're going to look at the second paper, which labels which is the nucleus, which is the Golgi body, mitochondria, all of this, and they're going to check and make sure that they got this correctly labeled. Once they have determined if they got the right and wrong answers, they are going to write that in their notebooks and be finished with the project. I think that this would be a great way to have, I would use this as a center in my classroom as we're learning about animals and humans and doing a life science project. I would have this as a kind of review for students after we've already reviewed the cell. So this wouldn't be new information, this would be more of a review. I think it would be fun for the students to get to decorate their own cell and also to do matching. I think it's very interactive for the students, and I think they would appreciate it. And that is my presentation. Thank you.